Hey guys, in today's video I have this iPhone XR which still gets feature updates and it's updated to 18.1 as you can see here. The only problem is that it is 64 gigs and it's not enough. So I want to upgrade it to 256 gig. So there is one friend of mine who does it. He owns a repair shop in Wembley and I already bought a Nand chip of 256 gig. So this is the Nand chip. I hope you can see it. It is from Samsung and it is 256 gig. I'm gonna give the link for this chip in the description below. You can check it out, and you need to buy this chip according to your model. And I will also flash the details of the repair shop on the screen and also in the description below. So guys, see you at his repair shop in Wembley. So we are here at Wembley Central, and just next to the Wembley Central bus stand there's this shop called SMPS Repairs. If you when you enter inside, you'll see a mini supermarket, and just left to your left you'll see this shop called SMP Repairs. So this is the shop where I'm going to give my iPhone XR for upgrade. And there is also this coffee shop to your right, where you can also do your refreshments. So you do it for me today, right? Now? Okay. How long it will take?
Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour. Huh? So this is the chip with 256 and this is a flex cable. You do it for me.
I need to take video also. He come inside.
Yeah.
Take video a little bit.
Okay.
I need to take my phone. Video.
Video. So guys, I'm back at home, and I was very happy that I got my phone upgraded to 256 GB. The guy, his name is Roy, was very kind to let me film this project. I had great fun watching him doing this project, and thank you very much, Roy. So guys, if you wish to upgrade your memory too, check for the phone number and the location in the description below, and you can go ahead. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please do support me, like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Bye.